Hello children, today we are going to learn class 3 mathematics unit 5 time. I am Sudha Vanasegaran going to take unit 5 time for class 3 students. Are you ready children? Children, have you ever observed the shadow formation and how it behaves? What do you notice in this image children? Are two people walking and their shadows. There are not many people who have not heard of the term shadows. But why and how are shadows formed? To understand shadows, you will first need to understand the sunlight makes shadows. Children, observe these images and discuss how the position of sun and shadow varies from time to time in a day. See children, in last image, the sun is not there. There are stars, the moon and dark sky in the night. Where was the sun? Behind the earth. Next day, we begin with good morning and it goes on. This cycle is called day-night cycle. It takes one day to make one revolution. It takes one day to make one revolution. It revolves 365 times to go one round around the sun. Children, observe these pictures. This is a car. What is this? This is a car. What is this children? This is a bus. What is this? This is a bus. What is this children? This is a bicycle. From these pictures, which will be the fastest transport? Can you find children? Which will be the slowest? Think and tell children. How do you measure the difference in time? We would use clock for measuring time. We would use clock for measuring time. See children, this is a clock. It has numbers from 1 to 12. It has two hands. A short hand called the hour hand and a long hand called the minute hand. Some clocks have another hand called seconds hand. The hour hand takes 1 hour to move from one number to the next number. The minute hand moves faster than the hour hand and takes 5 minutes to move from one number to the next number. The second hand moves very faster and it takes 5 seconds to move from one to the next number. Children, 12 hours plus 12 hours is equal to 24 hours. One day has 24 hours. Children, observe this picture. In 1 minute, how many times can you snap your finger? In 1 minute, how many times can you skip a rope? Children, see this picture. In 1 minute, how many times can you jump up and down? Children, can you tell in 1 minute how many times can you blink your eyes? Now, let us know 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. Children, observe this clock. What is this? This is an analog clock. Analog clock has hour hand and minute hand and second hand also. It shows the time by the position of the hands. What is this children? This is a digital clock. Digital clock shows the time numerically. Children, we can express the time in two ways. Observe the first clock children. It shows 10 minutes past 4. It shows 10 minutes past 4. See the second one children. It shows 10 minutes to 7. It shows 10 minutes to 7. See the third one. It shows 15 minutes to 10. It shows 15 minutes to 10. See the fourth one. It shows quarter past 1. The fourth clock shows quarter past 1. The last one, see children, half past 4. It shows half past 4. Now we will see Kavya's schedule. See this picture children. It is 7 o'clock when Kavya get up from her bed. It is 15 minutes to 8 when Kavya eats her breakfast. It is 15 minutes past 8 when Kavya starts for her school. It is half past 11 when Kavya doing her classwork with her friend. It is 15 minutes past 12 when Kavya eats her lunch with her friends. It is half past 3 when Kavya comes out of her school. It is 15 minutes to 5 when Kavya goes out to play with her friends. It is half past 7 when Kavya eats her dinner. It is half past 9 when Kavya goes to bed. Okay children, thank you.